In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage bills in QuickBooks, ensuring your financial records are up to date and accurate. We'll take you step by step through the process, offering helpful tips along the way to simplify everything for you. Let's get started by going to the QuickBooks homepage. Open up your web browser and enter the QuickBooks URL. Once you've arrived at the homepage, familiarize yourself with the interface if this is your first visit. The layout is intuitive, designed to maximize efficiency and ease of use. Upon entering QuickBooks, the next thing you want to do is click on the New button. You'll find it towards the top of the screen, typically on the left side. This button is your gateway to creating new transactions, like invoices and bills, which brings us to our focus today. Bills. Clicking New will present you with different options, so simply select Bill from the drop-down menu. Once you've clicked on Bill, you'll be directed to a new screen. Here, you'll need to click on the Vendor field to select the vendor associated with the bill you're entering. This field is crucial because it ties the transaction to the correct vendor and allows you to keep track of outstanding payments. If you don't see your vendor, make sure they're added to your records in QuickBooks. Next, move on to the Mailing Address field. Input or verify the vendor's mailing address. This is important for maintaining precise records and avoiding any potential disputes over billing addresses. Following that, click on the Terms section. Here, you'll set the terms for payment. Whether it's due on receipt, in 90 days, or another time frame, defining terms helps manage cash flow and establishes clear expectations with vendors. After setting the terms, you'll need to input the bill date. The bill date typically reflects when you received the bill. Ensure this is accurate as it impacts your accounting period. Next, adjust the due date if necessary. The due date drives the timeline for payment and aligns with the terms you specified earlier. Keep an eye on this to avoid late fees or strained vendor relationships. Now, click on Bill No. Enter the bill number as provided by the vendor. This serves as a unique identifier for the transaction and aids in historical tracking. If there are any permits involved, enter those details in the Permit Number field. This step might not apply to all bills, but it's essential for compliance and records when it does. Proceed by clicking on the Category area to categorize the expense appropriately. This categorization ensures that the transaction reflects accurately in your financial reports. Then move to the Description field. Here's where you provide a brief description of what the bill is for. Clarity here aids in transparency and easy reference. In the Memo section, add any additional notes or details that might be useful for future reference or context. This could be specific agreements or reminders related to the bill. Finally, make good use of the Attachments option to upload any supporting documents, such as a copy of the bill itself. Keeping everything consolidated within QuickBooks is a great habit for organizational purposes. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the final step is to click Pull. This will ensure your bill is recorded and available for future reference or modification. Now that you know how to enter a bill into QuickBooks, you're one step closer to mastering your financial management tasks effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy bookkeeping.